What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, GGFOREX here, and on today's video I'm going to be going over one of my favorite indicators. Now, I don't really use them, it's not really my bag, but when I do, I only use the ones that actually work and have actually helped me make trading decisions more profitable than the ones that aren't. But there is a catch with this indicator, because like there is on all indicators, there's always a catch. You can't really use this indicator if you're doing pending orders. Now, I know on the odd chance, sometimes you're on your lunch break at work, if you work a 9 to 5 like me, you can do a little bit of cheeky trading on your hour lunch break or your half-hour lunch break or whatever lunch break you got, as this is like an extra indication into trend. Or if you're already in a trade, you can use this indicator to see if you just stay in it, if you made the right choice to begin with, because sometimes you might be able to see, yes, you got in it, you're in profit, but if you actually have a look at the indicator, is it going your way? And if it isn't, get the money out, bag the profits and walk away, and then go into another trade where everything lines up and you get more confirmations and it's all good. So this indicator is the currency strength indicator, okay? So what it does is obviously tells you the strength of each currency. Simple, I know, right? But super powerful. I'm going to break it down in this video, how I use it. Again, it's not really one for pending orders, it's more for people who can trade all the time or staring at the charts all the time, because you can actually see it moving, put your orders in when you want to execute in the market. It's not really for pending, okay guys? So if you're pending trades, use it as an extra confirmation if you're already in it. If not, then you can just smash this out 24/7, which hopefully one day I'll be able to, because my accuracy and my trading success will just go through the roof. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking and show you what the hell I'm on about. GGFOREX mug. I know you love it. Don't act like you don't. And my head's cut off. Okay, right, I'm in. So, as you can see, we're in smart charts at the moment. So, Euro Yen, as I said in my last video, I'm going to try and focus on two currency pairs, the Euro Yen and the Euro Pound. Why? It's because smart chart says I'm shit hot at it. So just have a little look. Currency pairs I'm good at. Euro Yen, Euro Pound. That's what I win at. So, that's what I'm going to be focusing on this video. So, we've got the Euro Yen, Euro Pound. Now, how the currency indicator works, I am looking to see whether the yen or the euro, the euro is going to get stronger. So am I going to look for buys or am I going to look for sells? If we have a look at the daily, I've already drawn some charts out, but look, we've got a channel going, it's in an upwards trend, it has broken out the channel and it has had huge wick rejections. So that is the first sign that the reversal might be happening. Also, it's not making clear high highs. We have got kind of a double top. We've bounced off this area down here. We have got a double top, so are we looking for sells? Possibly, but how do we confirm that with this indicator, okay? So let's just go back into the 4-hour window. Now, where should I be looking? What area should I be looking at? Remember, this is the trend line from the daily. It's broken a trend line. It's tried to come back in, failed. Tried to come back in again, failed. What is it going to happen next? So let's go on to Trading View. Let's have a look at. Let me just get rid of all of these. Oh shit! I should not have done that. God damn it! Right. Let's try and let's get these back. I didn't want that to happen. So if you need to get strength or currency strength indicator on Trading View, which is free, just go on the website, type it in, but you do get a load of pop-ups, so it is annoying. So that one, the top one, if you need it to pop up, that's how you find it. That did not go to plan. My head's cut off in this video, but it doesn't matter because I'm giving you solid content on this. All right, we're going in large. I'm going to try and get a better angle at it. We're going to wait for, basically the bad thing about this currency strength indicator is it takes a while to load, especially if you've got like a big time scale, stuff like that, etc, etc. So let me just well, we're just going to wait. Here we go. Right, it will pop up with everything. Obviously we do not Corona need to look at everything. We just want to look at the euro and the yen, and obviously the euro and the yen are both orange. I'm gonna make euro red, so it's easy. I'm gonna make the yen blue. That way it's easy to see on camera, isn't it? So, from our analysis on smart charts, we are thinking it's broken a trend line, it's failed to make a higher high, it's made a double top to the left. We could be looking at a reversal, okay? How do we check this out? Well, let's go on a 4 hour, so we're matching the same time frame as smart charts, which is 4 hour up there. So we can see price, let's have a look, how do I do this? Rectangle. Kind of made a double top. Can I copy this? Yeah, by the way guys, I don't really use trading view, it's not really my bag because I just don't like it. And we've got some sort of channel going on here, okay? So, if it takes me a while to figure stuff out, it's because I don't really know what I'm doing, okay? So, we can see the price on the euro yen is making an upwards trend. As you can see here, it's made higher high, higher low, not a higher high, hit that trend line again. It could possibly go up and make a higher high to the top of this trend line, but we are not 100% sure. So how are we going to use the currency indicator in this situation to see whether we should be buying the euro or should we be selling the euro? So if price, we think price is going to get to our key area. Let's say price is at key area, okay? We're going to go back. We're going to go back to this area because it's a key area. We've marked it up on the charts because it's made a double top here, double top there. You can see the spike where it's taken out the stop losses. I'll make another video about the ATR and how you can use that to avoid these spikes. But see how it's taken out the stop losses and you think, okay, well it's spiked up, it's made a double top, I can't see any strength in this now. Let's see what the strength is of the euro. So we can see here, if we go down, the euro is actually doing a double top here. It's not making, it hasn't made a higher high and it's on the way down. But if you have a look at the yen, it's made a double bottom, which again is a sign for strength to go up, and the yen has crossed through the euro line. So the yen is getting stronger, the euro is getting weaker, and as a result of that, you can see the price fall down here. So that's roughly how it works. So if you're going to do it live, this is a Saturday right now, so the markets are closed. It's really best if I can do this live, but I don't have time because I'm working when it's live. So I will, if you want more videos on this, I will make more videos more in depth and live action and all that sexiness. So I will do that for you guys. But let's have a look. You can see here divergence happening, and you're like, George, what do you mean by that? Well, let's have a little ganders. The price is going up, which is suggesting here, see the price going up like we said, which is suggesting that the euro is getting stronger. The euro line down here is in red, remember, yen is in blue. But what we're seeing, the euro is getting weaker because the euro is making lower lows, lower highs, but the price is making higher highs, higher lows. Divergence on a 4 hour time frame as well. So we can safely say that the euro is getting weaker, we should be looking for sells. Plus our other evidence is saying that it's broken the trend line, it's failed to make a higher high, it's got a double top to the left, had a huge wick up here to wipe out all of the stop losses in that consolidation. So everyone who's had their stop loss around here has been wiped out with this. Has been wiped out with this candle up there, and obviously everyone who was buying it has been wiped out with that huge wick down there. So the manipulation has happened. It's come down. It's bounced off this key area. The price is now working up to show that there's strength in the euro, but as we can see, the euro is getting weaker. So what we would do is wait to see a key area in the market where we believe price would go down. So for me, I can see a huge, that massive wick candle up here that wiped out everyone in this area. That could be a key area for me to actually put my entry and stop loss. But because I'm a bit greedy and there's a huge candle and I want a better reward to risk, I want to see the price go up to the top of the range, not in the middle, at the top, because it's a high probability chance that the price will go down in that area after it's already wicked out. Because I feel like the price will gather a bit. Again, this is what I mean, when it's live it's a lot easier to show you, but we're just going to make do, bros. So on the 4 hour, we're going to break down to the 1 hour time frame. I like trading the 1 hour and the 4 hours. I don't really like trading anything under that, just because it's really tricky and you do have to be advanced. It's not something easy you can do. So I would look for price to get back around this area up here. So if I was going to short it, that last little wick that took out everyone's stop losses, put a short position in. So I would like to have my entry here, stop loss there, and my take profit there. That's what I would do in that situation, because I know the price is going up, the banks are messing with it, but overall the euro is getting weaker. So again, let's go back to the 4 hours so you can see the divergence more clearly, because this is where stuff gets exciting. Because when you realize this live, you see the price making higher highs, higher lows, but the strength of the currency is making lower lows and lower highs, showing its weakness. And then you can see the yen making double bottoms and higher highs. So you can see the yen getting stronger, you can see the euro getting weaker, you can see it happening in a key area, and then it just all makes sense. And then you're like, oh, okay, I like it. Can you see the yen? Double bottom, lower lows, higher highs, higher lows for the yen. Euro, lower lows, lower highs showing weakness. Yen, higher highs, higher lows showing strength. Price going up. We can see a key area of where they've wiped out before. It's at the top of the range. That is where I'll be comfortable putting in my short position for a 1 to 5 reward to risk. So if you did a 2% risk on that, that's a 10% gain in your account, and you could technically be done for 2 weeks for me, because my goal is to do 4% a week. So you can see how easy it is to achieve that goal when you analyze the markets correctly, you see market structure, and then you see divergence on a 4 hour time frame. That's some strong stuff. Again, if you want me to make a video on this live when the markets are moving, I definitely will do, so let me know in the comment box below. Also, if you want to do trading and you've got no one to talk to about it and you're a bit confused and you just don't have like that family connection in the finance world, like I didn't have anyone to talk to in the finance world. I didn't know how to trade, I didn't know anything, and I needed people to talk to about it. That's why I created the GGFOREX family. So in that family, we all help each other, we all help each other grow, and it's just super friendly. Also, if you want to get smart charts, it is an insane platform, and you can get a 3 weeks trial through my link. And not only through my link, you can also get 75% off, which is nuts. So if you haven't done any research into smart charts, definitely do. Check my videos out about it. Also, check out Greg Secker's program, who is the founder of Smart Charts, because I truly believe this platform is great, hence why I use it. It's just so much better than MetaTrader 4 and all that stuff. Yes, you have to pay for it, but overall it's a professional platform with an insane journal, which helped me out loads, hence why I know I'm great at euro yen and euro pound. But again guys, if you like this video, if you found it helpful, and if you learned a lot, please give it a like and subscribe. Join the GGFOREX family below. Take advantage of that 75% offer, because that will not last forever. I don't think Smart Charts have realized what they've done, but that is exclusive for the GGFOREX family. You're welcome in, guys. Again, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.